Oh my god, take a look at these channels. One channel is making 6.4K per month with only 38K subscribers, and the second channel is also earning 6.4K per month with just 54K subscribers. Have you noticed something? Both channels belong to the same creator. They are in the same niche, upload the same type of content, and even their earnings are almost identical, both generating thousands of dollars every month. If you look at their videos, you'll see that the first channel has multiple videos with over 2 million views, while many others have hundreds of thousands of views. Second channel follows the exact same strategy, with similar thumbnails and the same content style that I showed you earlier. Both channels are fully monetized and proving that this niche has huge earning potential. Today's video is dedicated to this exact strategy. The content you'll learn today can be uploaded on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, and other platforms for monetization. As you can see on your screen, this entire animation was created 100% for free using AI tools. In this video, I'll show you a free AI image generator and a free AI video generator, so you can create beautiful animated videos with professional voiceovers and smooth animations. Without wasting any time, let's get started. I've prepared an all-in-one master prompt especially for you. Whether you want to create animated stories, stickman animations, or canvas boy stories, this master prompt has everything you need. It includes 10 complete scenes, detailed image prompts, video prompts. Everything is already organized for you. You'll find the link to this master prompt in the comments section, not in the description, so make sure to check the comments. Now here's what you need to do. Simply copy the master prompt and open Claude AI. After logging in, paste the prompt and enter this instruction. Please give me your 10 consistent image and video prompts, and also voiceover. Once you click Generate, Claude AI will spend about 1 to 2 minutes analyzing your request. After that, it will automatically create a complete document containing your story, scene-by-scene image prompts, video prompts, and professional voiceover script. Let's preview the result. As you can see, Claude AI has generated everything beautifully. The quality is excellent. Each scene starts with a story summary, followed by a detailed image prompt, a cinematic video prompt, professional voiceover, sound effects, and visual effects. All 10 scenes are organized perfectly. Now let's move to the first step, image generation. For this, I'm using a completely free AI tool called Manus AI. After logging in, simply paste your prompt. If you want consistent characters throughout the story, add the words consistent character to your prompt. Then copy the image prompt generated by Claude AI and paste it into Manus AI. You can also add your preferred aspect ratio, such as 9:16 for shorts, or 16:9 for YouTube videos. Click Generate, and within about 30 seconds, your first image will be ready. As you can see, the first Canvas Boy image has been generated beautifully. The quality is excellent and looks very professional. Next, copy the second image prompt from Claude AI and paste it into Manus AI. One important tip: always keep the previous image as a reference, so the AI maintains character consistency throughout the story. Click Generate, and your second image will be ready shortly. Now, here's something interesting. This time, instead of using only the image prompt, I accidentally pasted the video prompt along with the story prompt. Surprisingly, Manus AI analyzed the entire story and automatically generated 3 different images based on the story itself. As you can see on the screen, all 3 images were generated beautifully with impressive quality. So if you prefer, you can generate images either by using individual image prompts or simply by using the story prompt. Both methods work. It depends entirely on your preference. Now I'm repeating the same process for the remaining scenes. I simply copy each prompt one by one, paste it into Manus AI, and generate the images. As you can see, the second, third, fourth, and all remaining images are being created one after another with excellent consistency. The best part is that Manus AI provides 200 free credits every day. It's time for video generation. The tool we're going to use is also 100% free. Open your browser and search for Arena AI on Google or YouTube. Open the website and log into your account. Arena AI allows you to generate AI videos completely free. After logging in, click on the video option. Don't worry if it doesn't immediately start generating videos. Instead, its AI agent will begin chatting with you. Simply continue by clicking the option provided. Next, click Add a File and upload the first image you generated. Once the upload is complete, go back to Claude AI and locate Scene 1. Under the first scene, you'll find the complete video prompt. Copy the entire prompt from beginning to end. Return to Arena AI, paste the full video prompt into the chat, and click Generate. As soon as you click Generate, your first AI video will begin processing. One great feature of Arena AI is that it generates 2 different video results simultaneously. One is created by Assistant A and the other by Assistant B. Both use different AI models, giving you 2 unique interpretations of the same prompt. You can simply preview both videos and choose the one you like best. If you want a longer final video, you can even use both versions, since each result is slightly different and helps increase your overall video duration. After a short wait, both videos will be ready. Let's preview the results. The first video looks very good. It doesn't include voiceover or sound effects, but the animation quality is impressive. The second version, however, includes much smoother camera movements with a beautiful zoom effect. In my opinion, the second result has slightly better quality, making it the stronger choice. I'll repeat the exact same process for the remaining scenes. Always start a new chat before generating another video. If you continue using the same chat, Arena AI may return an error. Open a new chat, click Add a file, upload your next image, then return to Claude AI and copy the Scene 2 video prompt. Paste it into Arena AI and click Generate. Once again, Assistant A and Assistant B will begin generating two different versions using separate AI models. Preview both results, analyze the quality, and download whichever version you prefer. If you like both, feel free to download both. As you can see, the second scene has also been generated beautifully with high-quality animation. Now, let me share an important tip. If you ever receive a credit limit reached message, don't worry. Simply open another browser, such as Chrome or Microsoft Edge, log into Arena AI again, upload your image, paste your video prompt from Claude AI, and click Generate. Assistant A and Assistant B will once again begin creating your videos, and within a few moments you'll have two fresh results ready to preview. This is one of the biggest advantages of Arena AI. You receive two different videos at the same time, making the entire workflow much faster, while also giving you multiple creative options. Repeat this exact same process for every remaining scene. There are no additional changes required. Once all of your videos are ready, it's time to generate the voiceover. Simply return to Claude AI. If your Claude AI usage limit has been reached, you can ask it to convert your script into a single paragraph voiceover instead. In most cases, the voiceover script is already included below each video prompt. Copy the voiceover text and open ElevenLabs. Log in, choose any professional English voice you like, and paste the voiceover into the text box. Generate the audio for each scene one by one until all of your voiceovers are complete. Now it's time for the final editing process. For editing, I'll be using CapCut. The workflow is very simple, and I've demonstrated it in previous tutorials as well. Open CapCut and begin by placing your voiceover onto the timeline first. Next, import the AI videos you've generated. Since Arena AI provides two versions for every scene, simply trim the best parts and place them on the timeline according to your narration. If the Arena AI logo appears at the end of any clip, simply trim that section away. Continue arranging each clip one by one until everything matches the voiceover perfectly. Once the timing is complete, trim any remaining unused voiceover so the narration ends exactly with the video. For shorts, try to keep your final video longer than 30 seconds for better audience retention. Next, add smooth transitions between each. I personally prefer using a simple black fade transition because it creates a clean cinematic look. After that, generate your subtitles. Go to the text section, choose Auto Captions, and let CapCut automatically generate your captions. Once they're ready, open the Templates section and select any subtitle style you like. You can also add background music if you want to make the video more engaging. When everything is finished, export your project in 4K resolution for the best possible quality. And that's it. This is the final result of creating a complete AI animated video using 100% free AI tools. From story creation to image generation, video generation, voiceover, subtitles, and final editing, everything was created completely free, while maintaining professional quality suitable for YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram Reels, and other monetized platforms. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.